I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May the 1st to May the 7th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, you might wanna join, no? Pero kung hindi nyo maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. So, Gemini, marami tayong pag-uusapan. Finances or wealth, career and job. Sa relationships, of course. Nandiyan sa mga singles, crushes, no labels, or doon sa situationship, in a relationship, married, or married couple, no? Third party and separated couples. Ayan. So, medyo straightforward ang ating card ngayon. Medyo maldita, no? So, magsimula na tayo. But I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. I'm sorry. You're the shit. So, ipinapaalala ng energy na ito, or it could be a message from the universe, that wag mo masyadong dinadown, no, ang iyong sarili. Just because someone don't like you, someone probably go against your flow. Someone might probably disregard your energy, no? Your aura. I feel like medyo, hindi ko naman sasabing nana tayo, no, lately. Pero malaking epekto nito sa ating pagkatao, especially since importante, no? Itong energy na ito. The reason why I'm saying energy, it is because this might be a person, this might be an event, a situation. So, you don't have to forget na ikaw yung catch, ikaw yung boss, ikaw yung tama. I am feeling 10% of your, I feel like meron ditong gusto mong makakuha ng some sort of discount pero hindi ka pinagbigyan. And I feel like dinibdib mo rin yun when it comes to finances or wealth. Pero I feel like siguro medyo iisipin din natin dito na for now, no, or meron tayong mga wishes pero hindi tayo pinagbigyan. So medyo masakit, no? When it comes to finances or wealth, finances and wealth, parang meron ditong, either this is a corporation, whether kahit ikaw yung business owner, parang feeling mo, pinapamukha sa'yo na wala kang alam. I feel like this time, be the boss, be the owner, be, you know, hindi ko sinasabing porque pera mo yan, gawin mo. Pero I feel like mas more maniwala tayo sa sarili natin, at least, no, dito sa decision making natin. Ikaw pera mo yan, diba? Bakit mo nga naman, sino ba naman tao ang gustong palugi, diba? So, try it. I feel like marami man tao ang against, no, sa idea mo. But I feel like you can take a risk as long as it's calculated risk. Career and job, I feel like medyo ginagang up tayo, no, dito sa ating work environment. Feeling ko na pagkakaisahan tayo, Gemini, no, may mga chismis, ayan, na medyo hindi na kumakalat, not really in favor of you, that's for sure, no, but I feel like kailangan mo pa bang sayangin ang oras mo sa mga bagay na hindi naman nag-i-improve. Siguro mas more of focus yourself doon sa iyong improvements instead of doon sa mga taong walang ginagawa, no? Kundi pag-usapan ka. Chances are, mas malaki na ang agwat mo, no? Dito sa mga taong to. And there's a reason why they are talking behind your back. It's because they're behind your back, so you're much ahead than them. So leave them be. No more of focusing on yourself. When it comes to relationship singles, I feel like okay yung ginagawa natin ngayon na if you feel off, no, dito sa isang tao, I think that you are jumping again. No, you're jumping right off the bat to another person. Hindi dahil ay malandi kasi, no? No, hindi. Kasi nafe-feel mo that I'm just going to waste my time in this person, so might as well, no? Hindi kami nagva-vibe. So, search again. I think that you are on the right path when it comes to that, as long as sana hindi tayo nakakasakit, no? Or sana masabi natin muna itong reason natin why things are not working and then jump to another. Crushes and no labels. Nako hang, nakikita ko dito masyado tayong nagpapaka-martyr dito sa energy na ito. We're giving ourselves 100%, 101%, 200% of our energy, but it felt like hindi mo napapansin na medyo kung titignan naman, no, sa inyong dalawa, I think ikaw itong catch, ikaw itong may ibubuga, no? So, medyo i-uplift natin ang ating belief sa sarili, no? Not to a point na nandito ka sa nagiging malaki ang ulo mo, no? But chances are, meron kang ginagawa na parang, I don't wanna say you're becoming a doormat, pero hindi na ikaw yan, no? Ganun din dito sa mga in a relationship and married couple, no? Third party, parang iisa ang nagiging format ninyo, no, ng energy. Dito naman sa mga separated couple, I think sinisisi mo yung sarili mo. Sabihin natin meron kang contributions, pero hindi mo kailangan akuin lahat-lahat dahil I feel like hindi naman ito mangyayari. It takes two to tango, no? With the King of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, and the King of Wands. So I feel like meron ditong nangyayari. So someone is giving the energy. It could be you. It could be your person. No? It could be this energy. There's sabihin nating dynamic in here na merong nagbigay mabilis, parang napasakay, no? Nakabola, umamin agad. All of a sudden, I hope that this is not happening dun sa inuman sessions, no? Dahil nakakita ko na parang because of heightened energy, whether it is galit, saya, nakapagsalita, and I made a promise. Finances and wealth. I feel like dahil meron tayong ginawa or napabigyan natin sila, no? They feel like, oh, mas maganda yung idea ko. Medyo na underdog tayo sa sarili nating paggamit ng pera, no, Gemini. I feel like you need to take the steering wheel at ikaw ang mag-drive, ikaw ang mag-desisyon. At the end of the day, pera mo yan. Career and job, no? So meron ditong, I think that you are being taken advantage of. Siguro, nagpahiram tayo din ng pera or binigay natin itong knowledge natin. And now it becomes your job, wherein that's not actually part of the job description. I feel like medyo naaano tayo dito, nape-pressure tayo or pinipressure na tayo kasi minsan lang tayong tumulong. Pero I feel like ngayon hinihinga na tayo. No? So naging parte na siya ng ating 8-hour job. When it comes to singles, crushes, no labels, siguro nandito yan sa part na dahil tayo ang umamin, no? Medyo feeling natin naaabuso din, no? Para kasing ang nangyayari dito pag may request siya na ibibigay natin agad. In a relationship, medyo ganun din. Married couple, yes. Third party, yes. Again, iisa lang yung format nito. Usually, no, nakakapagtaka, Gemini. Iba-iba yung supposedly iba-iba itong atake in a different kind of aspects ng relationship. But I feel like ngayon, iisa yung format ninyo. You were taking advantage of those things that you provided, those things that you probably, offered, and now it becomes part of the routine. The World card, the Three of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles. The Ten of Wands represents hardships. The Ten of Wands represents carrying, these burdens. But I want you to know that these burdens are not all yours. No? I feel like when it comes to finances and wealth, siguro meron din ditong mga part na kahit hindi na natin obligasyon, no? Medyo sinasalo natin. We're probably so much or too giving, no? Medyo iwas-iwasan natin yon, at least for this week, dahil the giver is, parang wala silang margin, no? They don't know how to stop, no? Kapag binigay mo yung kamay mo, gusto kasama braso, no? Or probably kalahati ng katawan mo. When it comes to singles, crushes, no labels. Kasi we have hopes here na magiging tayo, magiging maayos, papabor sa akin ang panahon. You're waiting for that to happen. I'm not saying it's not going to happen, Ten of Pentacles in here. But I think that you have done enough, no? Wag na natin masyadong sobra pa, especially wala pa namang relationship, no? Situationship, yes. Wala pang committed relationship na nangyayari, so slow down. When it comes to meron ng relationship, married couple, I think na medyo kailangan natin magsalita because we are having some hardships right now, and I think na medyo kailangan din natin sabihin na they have contributions while you are in that situation, and probably they also have some contributions on how to resolve, no, whatever it is that's happening. Third party situation, I feel like it is also time for you to say or mention itong mga hinanakit natin sa buhay. Wag tayo palaging oo ate, oo kuya, no? Meron din tayo mga pinagdadaanan, and I feel like it's okay to voice out, no? Ganon din, when it comes to separated couple, I think that this is, especially kung meron ng mga anak, no? I think that this is also the time for you to, medyo babaan na natin yung pride, no? I'm having a difficult situation right now and I need your help. Not for me, but for the kids. No? Um, yeah, I feel like, or kung wala namang anak, ito yung nangyayari sa akin ngayon. No? Dapat malaban mo. And I feel like, kahit man lang yung apology, no? I need to hear that from you para gumaan itong aking nararamdaman. At least, no, either saying it or probably you initiate, huwag ka na mag-apology, no, wala nang apology, pinapatawad na lang kita. No, I think that you're carrying a burden that feels like blocking your success or your abundance. With the Eight of Pentacles, the Five of Wands, and the King of Cups. So, ang nakakita natin dito, someone is working on something with the Five of Wands and the King of Cups. I feel like hindi na dito kailangan pang muna ngayon ng mahabang usapan, no? Kasi the more the mahabang usapan, the more yung the Five of Wands, the more yung struggles, the more yung challenges, the more yung battle, no? Baka mag-flip-topan pa kayo dito, no? Baka mas lalo masaktan ninyo ang isa't isa if in case pahabain nyo yung usapan, magkaroon pa ng sisihan. Instead of magkaroon ng solusyon, mas lalong lumala. It's okay to say something and that's it. If you were being triggered, medyo ikalma mo muna. At least nasabi mo kung anong gusto mo. No? Ganun din naman when it comes to financial and wealth. Sabihin mo, ito yung gusto ko, ito yung gusto kong gawin sa relation, sa pera ko. You don't have to question it. My money, my rule. No? Career. I feel like medyo sabihin mo lang na this is not part of my job description. If you want this to be a part of my job description, then probably give me a raise. No? I have been to, or I did that because it is actually needed on the time being. But then again, don't expect for that generosity to be given freely. No, I think that you have to be straightforward with that. Now, with regard to the relationship, singles, crushes, and no labels, I feel like tama na rin yung pananahimik. No, ipakita mo no na I am the shit. No, kung meron dapat magmalaki no sa ating dalawa, ako yon. Medyo gisingin mo naman din itong person mo no, dahil nakakita natin na siguro masyado natin we're placing the person in a pedestal too much and medyo lumaki ang ulo nila doon no. When it comes to, I think ganun din sa in a relationship, married and third party, sa separation, I feel like you have to work on saying things na medyo malumanay, or kung ikaw yung malumanay, siguro if you were triggered, siguro i-stop mo na lang muna itong conversation, no? But then again, it's okay to say it, pero pag pa-heighten na itong mga nangyayari, I think it's time for to say less, no? Rather than have a fight. You made your point, and that's okay. Let's get a message from the universe. No, this is not it. This is. Take some time to rest and rejuvenate. Masyado na tayo na-stress. Maybe it's also okay for you to isolate yourself first. No, give yourself a break. Give them a break. No, maglaho ka muna for a little while, and then appear when you already composed yourself. No, you need to pace yourself in the changes that are coming your way. And I feel like, kasi ang nangyayari dito, if you are being triggered, laban lang ng laban. There are battles that worth the fight. There are battles that, tulog ko na lang yan. Not all battles are worth the the fight. Ano? So what I'm saying in here, choose your battle wisely. They are all positive. Bigger and better things are coming for you. Just relax, and trust. So what I'm seeing in here is parang isinasabi sa ng universe na kalma lang, no? Ito na yung solusyon, ito na yung um, pagkakaroon ng sagot sa mga um, ginagawa mong mga bagay-bagay. And I think na you're going to prove them, no? That you have the right in your own way, that you are, again, the shit on your own way. Kailangan lang natin sigurong umaray paminsan-minsan. Ano? So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. But then again, before that, I want you to know that this is, na meron tayong kabilang channel. No? That is Babaylan TV. So yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo dyan. So kung gusto nyo sumali, you're very much welcome to do so. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong doon sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugan ng yes or no lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pisces, Leo, Taurus, Virgo, Sagittarius, Capricorn. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.